Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Decor Tips. Today, we're tackling a challenge that many of us face. How to make the most out of a narrow hallway. These tight spaces can feel tricky to work with, but with the right tips and tricks, you can transform them into both functional and stylish areas. Whether you're looking for smart storage ideas or ways to make your hallway feel bigger, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Optimizing narrow hallways. First, let's talk about the basics of optimizing a narrow hallway. The goal here is to create a space that feels open and airy while still being practical. Use light colors. Light and neutral tones like white, beige, or pastel shades on walls and floors can make the space appear larger and more inviting. Strategic lighting. Install wall sconces or LED strip lighting to brighten up the space without taking up valuable floor or ceiling space. Mirrors are also your best friend. They reflect light and create an illusion of depth. By creating a bright and open foundation, we're setting the stage for functional storage solutions. Smart storage solutions. Now let's add some storage without overwhelming the space. Here are some ideas. Slimline cabinets. Look for cabinets that are shallow in depth but offer plenty of vertical storage. These can be perfect for storing shoes, bags, or seasonal items. Wall-mounted shelves. Floating shelves are ideal for narrow hallways. They keep the floor space clear while giving you a spot to display decorative items or store daily essentials like keys and mail. Overhead storage. Utilize the space above door frames or higher up the walls for items you don't need to access frequently, like off-season accessories. The key is to think vertically and choose storage solutions that won't encroach on the walking space. Creative decor that maximizes space. Storage is important, but let's not forget about decor. Here's how to make your hallway look stylish while maximizing its potential. Multifunctional furniture. Benches with built-in storage or slim console tables with drawers are great for keeping the space tidy and functional. Hooks and peg rails. Install these for coats, hats, and bags. They're functional and can be styled to suit your decor theme. Artwork and greenery. A narrow hallway doesn't have to be boring. Add a gallery wall with slim frames or a small indoor plant in a wall-mounted pot for personality and warmth. These small touches will make your hallway feel more inviting while staying practical. Tips for a spacious feel. If you want your narrow hallway to feel wider, here are some quick tips. Use horizontal stripes on rugs or walls to visually widen the space. Avoid clutter by sticking to a minimalist aesthetic. Less is definitely more in narrow areas. Choose transparent or reflective materials, like acrylic console tables or mirrored cabinets, to keep the space light and airy. And don't forget to keep the floors clear. This makes the hallway feel much larger instantly. With these storage ideas and decorating tips, your narrow hallway can be transformed into a functional and beautiful space. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, and if you've got a hallway storage hack, I'd love to hear it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more home inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.